Looking for a broker with global reach, flexible trading conditions, and powerful platforms? In this video, we're taking a closer look at IronFX, a long-standing name in the Forex and CFD trading world. Whether you're just starting out or already deep in the markets, IronFX might have the tools and features to take your trading to the next level. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. IronFX has positioned itself as a global Forex and CFD broker, offering access to a wide variety of tradable instruments. Regulated by multiple authorities, IronFX offers traders a multi-regulated environment with a strong emphasis on transparency, client fund protection, and customized trading conditions. With a presence in over 180 countries, support in multiple languages, and platforms like MetaTrader 4, IronFX caters to both beginners and professional traders looking for competitive spreads, flexible leverage, and a choice between different account types to suit their trading style. Whether you're a day trader, swing trader, or long-term investor, IronFX could be a considerable choice in your trading journey. The broker offers a wide range of CFD trading instruments, giving access to over 80 Forex pairs, major commodities like gold and oil, popular indices such as the Nasdaq and DAX, and over 140 global stocks. You can also trade metals, futures, and select cryptocurrencies depending on your region. With flexible leverage up to 1 to 1,000 and all assets available on MetaTrader 4, IronFX gives traders the tools to diversify and trade global markets from one powerful platform. IronFX is a multi-regulated broker licensed by major authorities including the CySEC in Cyprus, the FSCA in the United Kingdom, the CySEC in Australia, and the FSCA in South Africa. These licenses ensure strong client protection, segregated funds, and compliance with international trading standards. For traders outside these regions, the broker also operates under its Bermuda entity, offering higher leverage and flexible trading conditions. IronFX provides strong protective measures for traders, including negative balance protection, ensuring clients never lose more than they deposit. Funds are held in segregated accounts separate from company funds, adding a layer of safety. Traders under the CySEC and FSCA benefit from compensation schemes, and the broker also uses SSL encryption to secure data and offers 24/5 multilingual support, as well as a structured complaints department, creating a secure, regulated trading environment. IronFX regularly runs attractive bonuses and promotions designed to boost trading capital and reward active clients. At the top of the lineup is their 100% ultimate sharing bonus, which doubles your deposit with no upper limit, although withdrawals are limited to half of your account balance. There's also a 40% power bonus, offering up to $4,000 USD extra on deposits above $500, with profits fully withdrawable even though the bonus itself cannot be withdrawn. For a more modest boost, the 20% Iron bonus grants up to $2,000 subject to similar conditions. Additionally, IronFX hosts live and demo trading competitions, including the high-stakes Grand Trading Slam, with a $500,000 prize pool, as well as other seasonal giveaways and protected trade bonuses. All bonuses are credited post-deposit and require activation via the client portal, typically within a few days. Importantly, bonuses themselves are not withdrawable, only trading profits can be withdrawn according to each bonus's terms. These promotions are meant to enhance the trading power and encourage strategic participation, though terms may vary by account type and region. IronFX also offers an Introducing Broker program, which is a comprehensive and rewarding partnership opportunity for individuals or businesses looking to generate income by referring clients. The program offers highly competitive rebates along with monthly performance-based bonuses, making it attractive for both new and experienced affiliates. Partners can choose from flexible commission structures and benefit from a professional IB portal that provides real-time tracking of client activities and commissions, as well as access to multilingual marketing material and expert support. Each partner is also assigned a dedicated account manager to help optimize performance and grow their client base. With fast onboarding, strong global rep, and scalable tools, their IB program provides all the resources needed to build a successful partnership and long-term revenue stream in the trading industry. IronFX offers a variety of trading platforms to suit different traders' needs. Their flagship platform is MetaTrader 4, known for its powerful charting tools, automated trading capabilities, and availability on multiple devices. For those who prefer simplicity, their WebTrader platform lets you trade directly from any browser without downloads. IronFX also provides a VPS service for uninterrupted automated trading and a personal multi-account manager for managing multiple accounts efficiently. Additionally, their copy trading platform allows traders to automatically follow and replicate top traders' strategies. Together, these platforms give traders flexibility and access to professional tools across multiple devices. Their trade copier service called AutoTrade, which allows traders to automatically copy the trades of experienced and successful traders in real time. This feature is perfect for beginners who want to learn by following expert strategies, or for those who prefer a hands-off approach to trading. AutoTrade provides a simple way to diversify your portfolio and potentially boost profits by leveraging the knowledge of professional traders, all while maintaining full control over your account. IronFX offers a variety of trading account types designed to suit different traders' needs and experience levels. For beginners, their micro account requires a minimum deposit of $100 and features fixed spreads starting from 1.8 pips, with leverage up to 1 to 1,000. More experienced traders can opt for the premium account, which has variable spreads from 1.6 pips and the same high leverage. However, it requires a $2,500 minimum deposit. High-volume traders may prefer the VIP account, offering tighter spreads starting at 1.4 pips and a minimum deposit of $20,000. For those seeking the tightest pricing, the Zero Fixed Spread account offers spreads from 0 pips with a commission per trade, with leverage up to 1 to 500 and a $500 minimum deposit. The broker also provides SDP and ECN style accounts, including the no commission account with spreads from 1.7 pips and leverage up to 1 to 200. Their Zero Spread account with 0 spreads plus commissions, and the Absolute Zero account that combines very low pips with no commissions, all requiring a $500 USD minimum deposit. Additionally, the broker supports Islamic swap-free accounts across various account types for traders who need Sharia-compliant options. They also offer mirror accounts for copy trading and managed accounts for clients who prefer professionals to handle their trading. This broad selection allows traders of all styles and goals to find an account that fits their needs. Creating an account with IronFX is a simple and easy process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Register button. The next step would be to fill out and submit your personal information, such as your name, email address, country of residence, and more. Submit your personal information, after which you can decide whether you want to create a live or demo account, or simply create a demo account from their demo account section. Next, what you'll want to do is verify, submit, and complete any verification process that is required, and then choose your preferred trading account type. After you have verified your account, chosen your preferred trading account type, and the account has been opened, you will want to download and install the MetaTrader trading platform. Download and install the MetaTrader trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader terminal with IronFX. On the left side of the dashboard, you have your market watch. You can easily view and switch between all of the available instruments that IronFX provides directly from this panel. In the center of the dashboard, you have your chart. And at the top of the chart, a variety of drawing tools, chart types, and indicators that you can use to customize your chart according to your preferences. And at the top left of the chart, you have a nice and simple one-click buy and sell order window. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can simply head over to IronFX's educational section or view platform tutorials online to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. The broker supports both deposits and withdrawals primarily through bank wire transfers, aligning with AML regulations and ensuring security. To withdraw profits, clients must use the same bank account from which their deposits were made, and they can initiate requests via the IronFX portal under the Fund Transfer section. Wire transfers typically take 1 to 5 business days, depending on the country and bank processing times. While IronFX does not charge withdrawal fees, clients should be aware that bank or intermediary institutions may impose fees, especially for amounts under $300, which often incurs a $50 fee. Deposits via wire transfers can take up to 24 hours to process on the IronFX side. This focus on bank wires ensures a consistent, secure funding experience, but traders should factor in processing times and external fees. The broker provides a comprehensive suite of educational resources through its Trading Academy, catering to traders of all experience levels. Their academy offers a range of materials including webinars, ebooks, videos, podcasts, and a glossary of trading terminology. These resources are designed to help traders build a solid foundation in Forex and CFD trading, covering topics from basic concepts to advanced strategies. Beginners can find their introductory courses and guides to help them understand the fundamentals of trading. And as traders progress, they can access more advanced content, including technical and fundamental analysis, risk management, and trading psychology. They also offer webinars, which are conducted by industry experts and offer interactive sessions where traders can ask questions and engage with the material. Additionally, the broker offers a demo account that allows traders to practice their strategies in a risk-free environment before transitioning to a live account. This hands-on approach, combined with the educational resources, aims to equip traders with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the financial markets with confidence. IronFX also provides a comprehensive suite of market analysis tools and resources designed to help traders make more informed decisions. These include daily Forex news updates, expert technical analysis, and an economic calendar that highlights key events such as central bank meetings, economic releases, and geopolitical developments. By staying up to date with these insights, traders can better anticipate market trends and adjust their strategies accordingly. In addition to market news and analysis, the broker offers a variety of educational materials such as podcasts and even videos. And these resources are tailored to support traders at all levels, from beginners looking to learn the basics to experienced traders seeking to refine their skills. Overall, the broker's education as well as their news and analysis services provide valuable tools to help traders navigate the fast-moving financial markets with greater confidence. Over the years in operation, IronFX has won over 150 international awards since 2010, highlighting its excellence in online trading. In early 2024, the broker received several honors, including the Best Forex Trading Seminar and Best Islamic Forex Broker, recognizing its education efforts and Sharia-compliant services. It also earned the Best CFD Brokerage Firm and Best Multi-Asset Broker Awards, showcasing its wide range of trading options. These awards reflect IronFX's commitment to quality and meeting traders' diverse needs around the world. Overall, IronFX is a globally recognized broker with over a decade of experience, regulated by top authorities including the CySEC, FSCA, ASIC, and FSCA, ensuring a secure and trustworthy environment. Traders gain access to a wide selection of trading instruments, including over 80 Forex pairs, commodities like gold and oil, major indices, global stocks, metals, futures, and even cryptocurrencies, allowing for diversified portfolios. Their flexible account offerings, from beginner-friendly micro accounts to advanced VIP and ECN STP accounts, cater to all types of traders. With competitive spreads, high leverage options, and the availability of swap-free Islamic accounts, the broker's trading platforms, anchored by the industry standard MetaTrader 4, are accessible on desktop, mobile, and web, complemented by auto-trade copy trading and virtual private server hosting for automated strategies. Safety is a priority with this broker, featuring negative balance protection, segregated client funds, and adherence to regulatory compensation schemes, providing peace of mind for traders. Beyond trading, the broker offers extensive educational resources through their academy, including webinars, ebooks, and podcasts, plus daily market news and expert analysis to keep traders informed. The broker's commitment to excellence is reflected in over 150 international awards recognizing their innovation, customer service, and educational initiatives. Whether you're a beginner looking for support or a seasoned trader seeking advanced tools and competitive conditions, IronFX provides a comprehensive, reliable, and secure trading platform to help you achieve your trading goals. And that is our overview of IronFX. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.